If your sliding door is in a sunny area, it can interfere with the infrared motion sensors. The perfect solution is the microwave motion sensor, which is hardwired to your AutoSlide system. Just connect it to your AutoSlide using the included cables. Install it above the door, or if you want to use it for your pets, attach it low on the door jamb. This sensor also has a wider and farther field of activation, and so this directional pivot can be adjusted to set the area of activation that best suits your needs.